Hello everyone, and welcome to Yegna Tech Solution. In this video I will show you how our system works, and our system is called Yegna Stock Secure Inventory Management System. Okay, if you own a shop, a business, or a big warehouses, I hope this system will help you to manage your items safely. So today I will show you on the manager dashboard. So we will see how to add products, how to manage workers or staffs, and how to control multiple warehouses, and how to check your profits, and also how to get your financial statement from this site and others. So let's start. So first, let us look on how we manage products on the product page. So in the Yegna Stock, you can group or cluster your items together. So for example, in this test account, so we have group of men's and women's shoes, and let us create another base product or group. For example, I want to store computers on my warehouse, so computer, and so I create the base product computer. Let's look on the product page. So here is, I have four group of products, and this words are written in Amharic for that, and I have a new product called computer. So I can manage their variant based on the size, based on the color, or the standard selling price, or in different properties. So here on the bottom, or on the last main shoes, I have a 371 variants or types of shoes, so I can manage this product simply. So we can set, or we can display your existing products on their variant, and all products have their image. It is an optional, and their product's name, description, the ID or the art number, and the selling price, which is this is set by the manager on the definition period, and it shows and the alert, or the minimum level of this product set. For example, for this product, for art number 001, to mixed shoes, men's shoes, the stock alert is 3, so it means it's alert, or it notify the products is in low stock. So if you type 10, or if you set the minimum alert into 10, the system will warn you immediately when the item is running out, and this helps you order new stock before you run completely or out of items. Let me show you how to define a new computer. For example, on the computer group, I use a manage button, and I can also edit the product information. So on the computer group, I use the manage. So and For this product, I use the name of the variant or the computer name. For example, Dell or okay, Dell Latitude. Okay, and this is the ID or the article number or specification number or uh, a number which used for identify the product simply. So I insert the specification number or the ID of the computer, and also I can create the product by adding the color or by using the colors, different colors, or the size, or the selling price, and also I can add the product's image simply. So for now I use okay black size. For the computer I can use the RAM or the hard disk storage amount, let's say 16 GB. Okay, the selling product is 15,000, and I don't want to set that. Okay, I create the product, the new variants that successfully is my computer. So I can edit the basic information of this product, like the product details is the product name, the ID, and the selling product price, and also I can add or I can update the product image simply. Okay, next let us talk about warehousing shops on the inventory side. I can create a new warehouse, and so the Yegna Stock allows you to control many shops location at the same time. And if you use our basic 6 months package, you can manage up to 3 shops. Um, if you buy or you are using the annual enterprise package, you can manage 3 up to 6 warehouse or shops or more, just using this single account. So on this page, in this part, you can see on the inventory management how many items are available in each store. You can select the shop or the warehouse location simply, and you can get the stock amount, and also you can see the product detail, which is having the invoices and other important information like the batch or the total activities using the batch and the expiration, and also all activities for that single product on the selected warehouse. So if your items have if you want to transfer the product, you use the transfers goods page. Simply you can select your warehouses and find the product by their ID or by their cited article number or CQ number, or by the name of your product, and you can set the destination and the amount of available stock amount. Then you can transfer, and also if you have your products or your items have an expiration date, the system tracks them by the purchase batch, and it saves the day you bought them, and this helps you to sell the product by order of a price, so you don't lose the money, and you can track the product which have expiration dates, and you can filter out the product by the expiration time, like for over 6 months, below 6 months, or for the product which have left 1 month, you can filter the product by the left time. Okay, so this is on the inventory side, and then on your warehouses, so there are many tasks to set on each warehouses. For example, you can create the roles or the new role to assign for an employee on the selected warehouse or shop. So now let us look the the staff or the employee assignment process. And on the inventory management systems, the authorization or the security is very important for the business. So as the owner or as a manager, you can give different permission to different workers or employees. So you don't want to cashier to see your total system profit, or to simply you can set the permission for a specific warehouse for the employee you have to set. So to add a worker or to assign an employee on any warehouse you have, uh, you can simply create the employee by 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 creating or by registering the new employee. The system requires the employee's full name, his first name, his last name, his email account. The email account is used to for account recovery and for resetting their password. The phone number, this is used to log to the system, and for first login process, you can set the temporary password for employee. After that, you have to set or you have to assign to the specific warehouse. First, let me show you how to assign um, on the your money on the manage warehouse for specific permission. Okay. For example, let me show you how to create a role. Let me say that the role name, stock clerk. Okay, stock clerk. Okay, stock clerk. Okay. So for this permission or for this role, I allow or I give a permission. There is a different permission on the Yegna Stock, adding inventory, remove the inventory, or sale, being report, or which is the stock levels or histories, transaction histories, like expenses, and transfer or moving stock between your warehouses, and adding expense or like recording your food, water, transport, or utility expenses, and also manage product, but this one is not available for now. Okay, so for the stock clerk role, we will allow this worker to register new item. So I allow the stocking permission only, because I want the employee to stocking only. So then I save the role. So it is the role. My set permission is in, which is a stock. He can only get into the stocking page. So then on the my warehouse, I select the warehouse or the shopping areas. Then I type his phone number and select the permission or the role I already created. So stock clerk, then assign employee. So here it is. It's not can stocking the goods on the C22 warehouse. Okay, this is all about the inventory side. Let's look on the logistic and the suppliers, and how we manage suppliers. This one is for to add invoices, and also to add the expenses and manage our daily, weekly, and monthly expenses. Okay, so these are the people who sell product to your business. In this section, you save your supplier's name and the contact person, or its close contact person, his email. This one is an optional, and phone number and his physical address or location. And so the system will show you the countdown, the timer to remind when the bill is due. So when you pay supplier, so you don't need to pay the full payment at once. On the payment reminder, here is I set the payment or the due one. I record one payment, and let us add another payment. So first I select the supplier and the warehouse and invoice number and total amount of due. We said 60,000, and the due day, which I have to finish the payment before, and it is a payment. It says upcoming invoice. So when you pay the supplier, so you don't have to pay the whole amount at once. So the system allows to record or to pay the payment in different, or you can make the partial payments. So let us log a payment, already logged. Okay, let us pay half of the all payment to, okay, 25,000, and payment date and the payment option. I choose the check, complete payment. So the due is partial, so the status is partial. I left 32,000 balance due, and I also paid 25,000. So the next parties adding expense, different type of expenses like the rent, the utility, the labor expense, the food and payroll, transport and other categories. So we can record the daily expenses for these warehouses we have, and I can also manage the recorded expenses, and I can track the daily, the week, and the month and yearly expense for for uh, for my warehouses or for our business. And next, on the reporters and profitability side or the business overview side. So let us look at the most powerful part of the system. This is a report. So the Yegna Stock, it automatically uh, calculates the profitability and or the profit and lose balance, but for managers it record all the activities, the transfers, the cost adjustment, the sales adjustment, also the rollbacks or the return sales, and each activities on all warehouses. So look at this report. This report have the date of the activity, the activity type. It may be the sale or the new stock record or receipt or transferred or the cost adjustment or the rollback, and it also showed the product's ID or it is the name of the variant and the quantity which is sold or transferred or stock in, and the purchase price is total value, the sales value, and the location or the shop or the warehouse area, and the employee or the worker who performed that activity, and also the payment option. Also having this report, and on the top side in these three cards it showed the total received quantity, total issues quantity, and also the total transfer quantity. And you can filter out by the product ID. For example, for product ID 9011, so I search the product, I get on this duration all activity of this product, and by filtering is the product color. For example, for all black shoes, which is black shoes, look, all products are black or mixed color. Look, all are the mixed color products. I can filter out the record or the report, and then on the profitability analysis side, so it calculates as our business profit and looks. It takes you total sales, and it subtracts the cost of goods and or or the money you spend by to buying the items, and your shop expense, and it shows you your exact net profit and the profit margin. Okay, and you can also show or see the report for the all business, or you can view daily report or weekly report for specific warehouse. So if you need additional detailed information, you can use the business overview page. It shows the total invoices for the selected timing, like the 2 days for weekly, monthly, or yearly business overview values. It shows the invoice, the total value, and the total revenue, and the gross profit value of for your business areas. This also can work with a specific warehouse or for your all your business location or your shops. So let us go to the advanced financial statements. Uh, so Yegna Stocks provide the full financial report for your business. On this page, the system automatically track and displays your total assets, your liability, which means the money you owe to the suppliers, and your total equity. So, and right below, you can see exactly how much money you want to in payroll, um, and on the right side, the system calculates your exact net cash flow. So the best part is that you can check this financial statement according to your preference. Uh, so you can filter the data to see your financial status daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So this gives you a full control over your business. You can download or you can get the document simply by using the get the PDF button. Let us show you one paper, financial paper. Look, so it is professional and futuristic financial paper or statement. It shows your net cash flow, your asset, total asset, and your total liability, and your total equity, and your expense and enroll, and it shows the net increase or decrease in cash position also, and you can get the profit and loss report for the each activities or each transaction. So let us conclude for today. So as you can see, the Yegna Stock is a complete management tool. So besides what we see today, so the system can perform and other many tasks, like for example, it does post-sale management tasks. You can edit all sales on the adjustment parts, which means you can edit the old sales or the wrong sales, or you do rollbacks. And if your customer can return an item, it also lets you do the cost adjustment for different warehouse location, and manage your daily expenses, and also can handle worker payrolls, okay, and it generate the smart reporting to keep you so you organized for on the during busy times. You can use the emails and telegram to notify you the daily the activity. So we have many more features to show you, and we'll cover all them in our next videos. For today's, thank you for watching today. If you want to use Yegna Stock secure inventory management system for your business, so please visit our website. Our website address is the yegnastock.com. I left on the bios section on the videos description section. And please visit our website and contact the Yegna Tech Solution teams. And lastly, I please like these videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.